I'm Rosie from Claritystamp. Today I just want to run through the tools that we use for embossing on our Groovi plate. So we've got a number that we can use. We can use the Groovi tools numbers 1 and 2 and now they come in the starter kit anyway. So 1 is the end that doesn't have the ball on there, it's the stylus end. Number 2, what we can also use is the Pergamano tool, the 1mm tool, and we can also use the Pergamano 1.5mm tool. So I'm just going to use this particular plate, it's Tina's henna plate. I'm just going to show you what I mean. So let's start with a little bit of paper. Let's attach it with some Groovi tabs there and come off. Rub it over with the tumble dryer sheet. Let's start with the Groovi number 1 tool. So all I'm going to do is, now what I'm actually doing is I'm tracing with the tool. So just apply the tool until you feel it fits within that groove. If you miss, does nothing at all anyway. So there we go. All I'm going to do now is work my way around embossing all the details here. So if you'd like to pop off and do a job or two and come back and see me. Welcome back. I've been busy. So as you can see, I've embossed with the Groovi number 1 tool, that's the crispest, and then the Pergamano 1mm. Now to me there's not a huge amount of difference in the effect on those. I like the Pergamano tool because I think it's really comfortable to hold. It's a little bit chunkier than the Groovi tool, and so that's my preferred. Then what we've also got is the Groovi number 2 tool, and you can see it's a little bit fainter here. And then also the Pergamano 1.5mm tool as well. Again, that's quite faint. So it depends what effect you want. I like using the larger tool for backgrounds because you can put things like text in the background that you want as a bit more of an arty background. And then there's one final one I want to show you. So I'm just going to pop those to the side. And that is the large tool. So I'm talking Pergamano 3mm tool. So it really is quite a large tool, this. But what it's going to enable me to get is a really soft emboss. Now this again is going to be great for a background, but what it also will enable me to do is to do more of my traditional Pergamano parchment techniques. So if I actually want my embossing to disappear into the outline, I could use this tool, and then I'm almost using my Groovi plates then as a tracing template. So I'll just do it a little bit and then I'll show you what you get from that. So then you can see it's really faint, but that's going to enable you then to do all of your embossing, all of your shading, and the outline is going to be pretty much invisible. So lots of different techniques, whether you want to go with our traditional Groovi there, where we've got more of a crisp outline, or whether you want a really faint outline so that your embossing runs into it, whichever. Thank you for watching.